The rounding list is really the home screen for the physician user in Excel Mobile. We have a different video that'll show you exactly what you need to do in order to add patients or remove patients from this list and how the administrative staff can help with that. Today I'm going to show you just a few helpful little tricks that'll show you how to manage this list as a physician. One of the first things you might want to do is up at the top, I'm going to filter by location. If I see patients at multiple locations, I can select just one of those and it'll filter my list and show me only the patients that are at that particular location. The other thing that you might notice up at the top is there are two numbers next to Lake Forest Hospital where it tells me that I have 7 patients that are on my rounding list at this location, and there are 5 patients for whom I have not completed the encounters yet. It's an easy way for me to keep track and make sure I see all of the patients that I need to see. It also takes away the location column on the main part of the screen that frees up just a little extra screen real estate for you. If I've already seen Hannah Miller and I'm ready to discharge her, I'm just going to tap on discharge. I'll get an error that pops up that just confirms that that's what I want to do, and you'll see that she changes and to have a status of discharged. Another thing that I might want to do is transfer a patient to another colleague. I'll see my list of other providers that pops up on my screen. I can also search if I know a particular provider that I'm looking for, if I have a particular lengthy list. But it'll show that that patient is now transferred. The last thing that I might want to do is maybe I need to discharge or transfer multiple patients at the same time. I can do that by clicking on the Actions button, and I'll get a column of checkboxes where I can select multiple rounding entries at the same time and then either discharge, transfer, or hide those patients. I'm going to tap on Hide. What that does is it temporarily takes those patients immediately off my rounding list, so I won't see them anymore. They will pop back up the next day. That actually refreshes each night at midnight. And there is a way for you to retrieve any that you have hidden if you want to unhide them. Again, I'm going to click on Actions, and then I'm going to click on Display Hidden, and I'll see all of the rounding entries that I have hidden. Again, here I can select multiple or just one patient encounter to unhide, and you'll see Hannah Miller pops back up on my list, and if I hit cancel, I'm back to the main screen with Hannah Miller on my rounding list.